Today we're talking about how to change your Disney Plus subscription. Yup, you heard that right. I'll guide you step by step so you don't get lost in the scary digital forest. Let's go! First up, grab your phone because we're going on a little digital adventure. Open the app, and now you're going to tap that bottom right corner profile icon, yeah? That one that looks like my good old pal Pluto. Click it. Now it's time to scroll down and tap on account. So here's where it gets a little tricky, especially if you're subscribed through Apple. Now click on your subscription. Spoiler alert. Apple will send you a pop-up to warn that you're about to enter the land of external websites. But don't be scared, we're not going to battle Maleficent here. Just tap continue, or whatever it says. Trust the process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to scroll down and tap Manage Account at the bottom. Easy peasy, right? Now you'll see your plans and billing. Okay, now we're almost there. Scroll down until you see your subscription. It's like unwrapping the final gift on your birthday. Tap on it. You know you want to. And there it is. Right from your current subscription, you will see a change button. Tap it, choose your subscription, and follow the next steps and you're done. There you have it. You have successfully changed to your Disney Plus subscription. If you like this video, go drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.